I'm June Lai, I'm the CEO of Catalyst. I'm here to introduce our newest product. So we have a new case for the iPad, 9.7 inch. This is designed to be ergonomic, so your thumb fits here. And then it's got this grippy rubber bumper, really comfortable to hold one-handed. Everything's fully functional, so you can use all the buttons on it. The ports are all accessible. The screen protector is so flat you wouldn't know that it's there. The sound quality on this is amazing. So the price point on this is $129.99. Today we're announcing the release of the Apple Watch Series 3 case from Catalyst. So everything's fully functional. You can use the heart rate sensor through the case. You can also charge the device without removing the case. Everything is fully functional, so you can rotate, you can use all the buttons. And also the microphone and speaker are fully sealed but fully functional, so you can use it with the LTE cellular version as well. The price point on that is $69.99. Every unit is tested 330 feet waterproof. Also features military-grade impact protection because a lot of people damage their Apple Watch case, but they don't know that the repair cost is $250 US. And this case is $70 and includes the watch strap. You can also switch out the watch strap if you want to customize it. A preview of our iPhone 10 cases. So it's got our signature rotating mute switch. It's clear so you can see your iPhone. It's got a lanyard so you won't drop it. You can also charge it within the case. And that's going to be $89.99, available in January. We'll have the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus waterproof cases in December. And we also have a new case line that's drop-proof. So these are 9.9 feet drop-proof. You can use our rotating mute switch on it. It comes with a lanyard, and it's clear so you can showcase your iPhone. It's ultra slim, and these are $39.99 for the iPhone 8 backwards compatible with the 7, and also for the iPhone 10. For the iPhone 8 Plus and the 7 Plus, they're $49.99. That's what's new from Catalyst this year. So for more information, visit www.catalystcase.com.